Hey, welcome back to Williams Designs. This is a real quick video. Man, this scared me. I thought the machine broke. If you ever have an issue where the print head, you turn on the machine as normal, I was cleaning it out and then as normal, and then I turned it on, and then the print head, how normally it will move back and forth and do its little, when you first turn it on. And it didn't do that. It stayed right here, and it wanted to move, and it didn't. And then it made this loud cracking noise, and I was like, "Oh my goodness!" And I thought it was broke, man. And so I'm trying to figure this out. I was reading on forums and all kind of stuff, but I wanted to show you real quick what the issue was, the problem was. So I want to go down here. What happened? And when you get to your machine, so let me show you. It's under the machine, right here. Oh man, let me see if I can get a good angle for you. Oh, let me put the light on a little bit more. That way you can see. So right here, you're gonna find a mess of gunk that builds up over time, and it's blocking the I guess the blade or wiper blade that holds holds up the when it cleans, the printer, the print head, and it holds it up to clean it. Well, it gets stuck, and let me show you the gunk that came out. Look at it, all that, it was stuck in there, and it held it there. So all you gotta do is, I got some tweezers, and was pulling it all out because I couldn't get my hands fully in there. I got some of it, my hand, got some tweezers, pulled all the gunk out, and I'm gonna turn it on, make sure it works. But that should be the solution for you. If your printhead ever gets stuck and you hear that noise that I heard, my goodness, that is the way to fix it. So under the machine, there's a little hole right there, and that's how the wiper blade, or it's not called a wiper, I don't think it's called a wiper blade, but basically it moves up and down to clean the print head, and if it's stuck there, then the print head can't move. So that you got to clean that out. All right, just to show you that we're good. It worked perfect. And so now I noticed, I'm going to turn it on and look right here. You'll see the arm that moves, that got stuck. It wasn't moving before. I'm going to turn it on. See that? See that spin? And so that's the arm that got stuck. And so once you clean it out, that should move. And now it's going to do its normal little, I guess, preset thing. And then it moves it over, and then we're good to go. Man, that was scary. So do not fear. That's the problem. And you can fix it pretty quick. Have a blessed day.